Hi there guys, welcome to my channel Wander and Flourish. Today I'm in the forest, just wanting to record a little video for you. I've decided that I want my channel to be about simple things that I'm doing in my life that I'm noticing a huge benefit. And today's rule is a minimalist rule that I've come across, and it's about taking action on one small thing at a time. So if you are the type of person like me who gets it into their mind that they want to clean out an entire room and organise an entire space, and you know the feeling, you've been at it for 3 hours, you've made good progress, but then all of a sudden it's like you hit the wall and you can't seem to go any further. Well, this is so frustrating, isn't it? So top tip is baby steps. Take small steps every day. So decide today that you are going to build a consistent system of minimalism within your home, and decide that you'll take one small action every day, whether that's cleaning out your makeup area, or opening one of your drawers and sorting through a drawer, or perhaps it's going through your wardrobe and clearing out some clothes. Just one baby step a day, and I can guarantee you, if you keep up with that one baby step a day for a week, for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then a month, you will be astounded at the results you'll start to see. And also that will help you build confidence in yourself, that you have a changed way of doing things now. You're no longer the hare dashing about mad and unable to get anything finished on time. You'll become like the slow and steady tortoise who wins the race. So you're similar in nature, and you also want to change your life for the better, then please come along with me on my journey. I would love to have you here, and I hope that we can work together. So thank you for your time today, and if you found any value in this comment, please give me a like, and I would love it if you would subscribe too. And I really look forward to getting to know you over the up and coming months. Thanks for all your time today, guys. Bye now.